Hi students, I hope you're doing well and having a great week. I'm just going to walk you through your lesson today and kind of go step by step in what I'm expecting for the notebook. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of Amplify chemistry. We're going to watch an EdPuzzle video to talk about the importance of water and where we get our water and how it's treated before it comes through the tap. Then we have our first Amplify notebook where we're going to take our notes and information to problem solve for our Amplify chemistry unit. Okay, so in your EdPuzzle video, there is this video right here, #cleanwater, brought to you by chemistry. You're going to watch this 3-minute video and answer the questions as best as you can. I just want to remind you that when you watch the EdPuzzle videos, it's going to have you log into Google Classroom with your Google account, and I can actually see how much of the video you've watched and the questions you get correct or incorrect. And so I can tell if you've only watched it for a minute or the whole thing. So make sure you're going through and putting forth your best effort when you're doing these assignments, okay? So after this little video, to kind of introduce yourself there to the unit and how we get our water, you're going to do the Amplify notebook. So in Google Classroom, there is a Google Slides that looks like this, okay? Amplify Chemical Reactions Notebook. It's going to make a copy for you specifically and have your name in it, but you do want to retype your name here. And I really appreciate when you do your hour if you would type in what day you are, if you're an A day kid or a B day kid, or even remote, because when I start going through your notebooks to see if you're taking notes, it really helps me in terms of what day you're at, because different students are at different locations in the notebook depending on what day of school they are. Okay, so like I said, it'll make you your own copy up here with your name on it, but it's good to have your name here as well. Now, when you go through your notebook, we'll talk more specifically about how we're going to go throughout this process in class, but slides 2 and 3, you are going to skip today. We will talk about slides 2 and 3 throughout the unit, and we'll add in the vocabulary as we go through. So 2 and 3, you're going to skip today. You're going to start with slide 4, the overview. It's kind of the storyline that we are doing. We're problem solving for this community of Westfield, and so it's going to introduce you to the storyline. You're going to read that. Then you will do slide 5 and answer this question: how would your life be different if you didn't have clean water at home? So think about, from the moment you woke up today to this point where you're watching the video, what ways have you interacted with clean water? And what would it look like differently if you didn't have clean water at home? I think that's something that we kind of forget and realize how lucky we are to have such clean water. Okay, so you're going to do slides 4 and 5. Slide 6, where actually we'll talk about in class more specifically. So slide 6, you can go back through and just move on, and we'll review that. Slide 7 is a video introduction about what a chemist, particularly one that studies water quality, does in her daily life. And you may notice that it's not in, there's no video thing. You have to be in present mode to watch the video. So the second I put my screen into present mode, there is the clip to start playing. And it'll start playing as it happens. It's unable to play right now because I'm recording. So it's just one of those things, but that's what's going to take place. So again, you have to be in present mode to play the video. The last thing you're going to do in this digital notebook today is you are going to read through this email. So Dr. Samara Young is the lead chemist, and she's the one that we're going to be working through to solve this water crisis problem. You need to read the email and take detailed notes related to the email. There are 3 key significant points in the email that you need to try to find and have in your notes. Okay, so read through, think about what's important, and then you're going to add it in here to the notes, and then we will review and talk about it in more detail on Monday when you're in class. You'll actually get to see the water samples and look at the material in class a little more detail. All right. So just to review, you are going to do slides 4, which is reading, slide 5, answer the question, slide 7, watch the video, and slide 8, read the email and take detailed notes. Okay. And I will be going through the notes this weekend to see how well we're doing and if we need to spend more time reviewing expectations and detailed material, or if we're good to go straight into the lab. All right. So again, I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any questions or concerns, you're not sure what to do today, you're not sure what slides are supposed to work specifically, please reach out and email. I am always available. And make sure you're also checking your grades and that you are staying on top of your learning. And I will see you later. So bye.